Hey guys, so today I'm going to take you on how to actually use Allure Report with Jenkins. So in my previous video, I had shown you how to use it using command line and using Maven. So we're going to do that in Jenkins. So let me just repeat what I did last time. So I have my script here. This is a rest assured script. And if I want to run the test, I'll just do mvn clean test. So it will run this test and generate the Allure results. And if I want to check the results, just do allure serve allure results, and you'll generate that report. So this is what we are going to do in Jenkins. All right. So I'll assume at this point you guys have installed Jenkins on your machine. So basically, if you come to Jenkins, you come to manage Jenkins. Under manage Jenkins, you go to plugins. So under plugins, you check for available plugins and search for Allure. So for me, I've already installed it. If you can see here, it's under my Allure Jenkins plugin. So this is what you actually install. So after you install this Allure plugin over here, just relaunch Jenkins. It would have been installed, and you come here and check if it has been installed, and also you enable it as well. So you have installed the Allure Report Jenkins plugin. So what next? So for me, I'm going to run this using Maven, and my script is for Java. So I'll need to set an environment variable for Java. So I'll come here to System, Global Settings. Here, Global Properties. Then I need to set my variables. So you need to set a name. Let's say I put my name as Java Home, and where my JDK is in my system, where Java is installed. I have also another. This is for another project, but another variable for Node. But this is the important one that you can add if you're using Java. So you add it as an environment variable. So after that, you just click on apply, and click on save. So you've already installed you already installed the Allure plugin, and you have set your environment variable in the global setting. So now let's create a pipeline to actually run this. So if I come here, I can call this rest assured or Allure test, and then click OK. Then I'll come now to write my pipeline script for this. So for this, I'll need to set first of all, the first build step is to build and test, and the second one is to generate the Allure report. So I've already written this script, so let me just copy it, and then I'll go through it. All right. So my first step is it will build and test my project using Maven. So here I've set the environment variable for Java. As you remember, I had set it before on the global settings. So I'll set it here again for the environment variable. Then now to run the Maven command. So for this, I've set where Maven is installed in my system. So if you go to your command line, let me launch my command line and I do which mvn. This is my location of where Maven is installed in my system. So I've set it here. I've set it here, and the F here specifies the path where my project is located. So for this project, I can where my pom.xml file is located. So this is another project. So let me just come here. You come to your XML file, go to copy path, the absolute path. Then if I come here, no, it's actually till here. So this is where like my pom file exists in my system. And now to run the Maven clean test, so the one that we run here, Maven clean test. So I'll just do that to run the Maven command. So basically it checks where Maven is installed, specify the path to where my pom file is, and now run the command. So basically that's it for running the Maven command. Now to generate the Allure report, so I need to set where my project is. So it's actually under assured. So I'll edit this, the assured mv. Then I'll set the results to have the Allure results. So it will now build that Allure report in Jenkins. So basically this is how you set the location of where your project is, where this they're going to be generated. So it basically, the path is idea project, as you can see, mv, then stroke where the reports are, which are here now for the path where it is. So after that, you will just come here and click apply, then save. So now I'll try running this build and let's see how it goes. So it will start build and test, then generate the Allure report. Awesome. As you can see now, I can see the Allure report here. This is where you see the Allure report. So if I click on this, it will generate the Allure report and I'll see if my test passed or not. Yeah, as you can see, it passed. And that's how you basically generate an Allure report on Jenkins. If I come here again, let me go back, click on it. Now you can see the Allure report appears here. So it will show you the previous run that you did. And if I come and run it again, build now, it will build again. Then generate the report. If I click on this, you'll see 1017. It has run exactly 1017, the one that I did, and the executors, it will show you it is Jenkins. So if I click on here, I can be brought to where my build is. Yeah guys, so that's basically it. If you have any questions, you can ask in the chat and you can subscribe as well. Thanks. So one step I missed. So once you've already installed Allure report plugin, you come to tools. So to tools, you go to you'll see Allure has appeared here. So you come here, Allure command line installation. So for me, I prefer to actually install Allure automatically from Maven Central, so you can usually get the latest version. So you'll just come, I can remove this and maybe set where Allure is installed in my system, but the best way is to install it automatically. So just install it automatically and click save. Then you can now go run your, then it will be automatically installed, and your and this and the Allure result can be generated. Cool.